What is going on, everybody? My name is Dr. Fix-It. Yes, I am a real doctor. I'm a chiropractor, and I love to fix things. Today we have this Sony Dream Machine auto time set. Ooh. I picked up this bad boy for $5.99 at a thrift store. This thing is gonna work great with my iPod. Click the link right here and you'll be able to see how I fixed this iPod. I don't even know if this thing works, so first we're gonna plug it in and see how everything is, and then we're gonna clean it up. Do you think it'll work? I'll take this here and plug it in. All right, we got something on the screen. Let's see if I can, where's the brightness on this thing here? Okay. Aha! There you go. You can see it. It's working. Okay, let's put the iPod on here. Whoa! Woo! Yeah, that's working great. Man, it's even got mega expand and mega bass, whatever the heck that means. Ah, good. Glad that it works. All right, I guess the only thing we have to do now is clean it up. All right, this thing is looking clean. Now let's go ahead and play around with it. I've never, really had one of these before. Let's hook up the iPod and test it out some more. Okay, so we stick that in there. Oh, yeah. Let's put on something a little more acoustic. This sounds pretty good. I mean, I know it's old, but it actually sounds quite decent. I wonder what this button does. I'm gonna turn it on and just see what it does. Oh. Okay, so that gives us a little more treble. Like a lot more treble. And the bass just makes it sound more full. Okay, again, for reference, guys, this is what it sounds like without the mega expand or mega bass. Mega expand. Mega bass. I feel like this is like a typical thing from back in the early days. They tried to get you to think this thing can really just push out that bass and stuff, but it just, kind of adds a little bit of treble and a little bit of bass, and that's it. So, all in all, it sounds great. Let's see what a movie sounds like on it. Of course, we gotta play The Lord of the Rings. It doesn't sound like it's coming out of a 5.1 Dolby Atmos surround system or anything like that, but I mean, it still feels full and rich. What else does it have on it? Okay, looks like we got a radio. Let's turn on the radio, see what that sounds like. Hey! That one was for you, baby. I guess I could see myself using this in the mornings. It's got 2 different alarms. You can set the times for each. It has a snooze button. Who says you can't have fun at a thrift store with a couple of bucks? I can't wait to maybe start stumbling across more things like this. If you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know in the comments below, and I can definitely find some more. Well, yeah, it's junk. But hey, it's fun junk, right? It's junk that we can fix up and look at, and then throw in and back in the closet and never see again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. This one really didn't need to be fixed, so I guess this one's officially cleaned.